beef bourguignon made famous by Julia Child. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, taking in 3 pounds of cube chuck, cut into 2-inch cubes, pat dry. Then adding in salt and pepper on all sides, just like so. Taking our Dutch oven, now adding in extra virgin olive oil. We're going to be browning our beef into different stages, making sure not to crowd our pot. Working in small batches, just like so. Set aside and then adding in white onions chopped, celery chopped, sauteed till nice and translucent. From here, adding in our carrots, just like so. Making sure everything is nice and golden brown, then adding in our brown 12-ounce bacon, remove the strain. Add bacon and beef back in, just like so. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour goes in, gives us a nice gentle mix. We're going to be baking this at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Once ready, we're going to be adding in our cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 whole bottle of red GSM or any dry wine. Adding in our vegetables back in, just like so. 32 ounces of beef stock goes in next. Sprigs of thyme, bay leaf, give this a nice gentle mix. Bake at 350 degrees for 3 hours. Now we're going to be taking unsalted butter in a pan, then adding 1 born bag of pearl onions, sauteed till nice and golden brown. Set this aside. Next, adding in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 8 ounces of creamy mushroom slice, half cup of beef stock goes in next. Saute till the mushrooms have been translucent and soft. Remove all solids into a bowl, just like so. Once ready, we're going to be straining the liquid. Add the broth and solids back into the pan. Adding in mushrooms and pearl onion goes in next. Cook for another 30 minutes or until beef is nice and soft. Garnish with some nice parsley right on top, just like so. And there we have it. Serving this with Chateau Bel Air Eiffel Rouge. Nose is elegant with aromas of black fruit spices. Mouth rich and ample with round finish. Long, beautiful aromas of Morello cherries. And there we have it. An amazing beef bourguignon. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and have a good day now. You hear? Bye-bye.